All right, guys, here we are back in the Passport Ultra-Lite. I brought some help.
What's going on?
So today's goal is we're going to try to take out all the cushions in the damaged area and maybe even get to tearing up that area and seeing what that subfloor looks like. And yeah, just do a deep cleaning. We got the vacuums, we got the chemicals. We're just going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll see where we're at. So let's get started. Lovely.
Look at the wildlife.
Yeah.
Oh, it's rats.
Yeah. All right, so as you probably saw already, this whole section, about a good 4 feet or so, is completely rotted. Based on what we saw before, it came down with the table, came to the table legs, and just started rotting it out. And this material here is supposed to be a waterproofing material, which is great and all when it's coming in from the bottom. But in this case, it became like a pool for the water just to stay inside of and just rot this wood out. So we did a little bit of research. We're going to attempt to take all this out, and I don't think we need to take this unit out. We can actually slide it out, and this sits inside of some grooves. So we're going to attempt that. So the idea we have is this is a 12-foot piece, and we can't get a hold of a 12-foot piece. So, and it's only 3/4 thick. We actually took a sample of it just to see what it looked like. And so we're going to do 2 3/4 inch pieces of plywood to finish this. So there's going to be a seam in the middle, and we're going to, we'll try to adhere that the best we can, maybe with some pocket holes or something like that. Actually, I could probably do some floating tenons between all that, and then to make it even more strong, we're going to put 1/2 inch on top of that in 3 pieces. So you're going to have basically like a 2-foot overlap on the seam. So it's going to be thicker than what it was when stock, and I think it's going to be a lot stronger, and I think that's the best way to handle it. So if you picture it, you're going to have 2 pieces underneath and 3 pieces on top, and then the carpet on top of all that. Yes, it's going to be a hair taller, but that's okay. I think that's going to make it most strong, strong enough. And then we'll waterproof the bottom side, of course, and I think the rest is good to go. So that's our next step.
I didn't know wood was supposed to be so flexible.
It's a new flexible wood, man. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, it's part of the chair or the trim. Well, let's take it out and see if we got more buttons. There you go. That corner, what's that corner look like to you? Wow. Man, give it to us.
Pour all the AC out. Ready?
Yep. She's in.
That's how to get to the screws.
Well, I would call that a success. Well, there you have it, folks. Here we are a few days later, and let me show you what it looks like right now. Yeah, so as you can notice, we've gotten a little crazy and started to do some painting. But let's go over the floor real quick. You may have noticed in the video that I mentioned doing a 1/2 inch on top. After installing it, we feel like it's actually not needed. I mean, I can stand right on there, and I feel pretty secure that that's not going to go anywhere. So we used 2 pieces of 3/4 inch pressure treated wood. We went on the kind of overkill on it, and so we did pressure treated, and then in the center there you saw us put in some dominoes. We did like 5 or 6 dominoes, and then we used hard as nails on that seam. And then just as an extra safety, we went ahead and put those steel plates on top because we had them. And then at the end, we decided to glue down a heavy duty tarp, and we glued it with hard as nails as well, and wrapped it around and stapled it all along the edges. That's going to help it so it slides better. There's a seal right underneath this area here that it slides on, and the tarp is just a lot slicker than wood, so we figured that would be a good idea. And then just as another precaution, we went ahead and coated the bottom in a silicone spray, and that's going to make it even more slick. So this thing goes in and out very easily, and really happy with it. So that's the floor. We feel very confident about the floor. And then we started getting into kilsing the walls, painting everything, priming everything. And then we actually took the ceiling out as well, but that's going to be the next video. So there you have it, folks. Hopefully you enjoy the progress we've made so far. This is a big project. I actually checked with a friend of mine that works at a local camping area, and he said for them to do a project like this is like $5,000. So we're pretty excited that we're able to pull this off. I think so far we're in it a couple, maybe a few $100s tops, and it's just a lot of blood, sweat, and tears to get it done. So we're going to continue working on this and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.